Yes, guys, 5 Etsy design digital product trends that you need to be doing right now in the summer and beyond. Part 2. Hope you've seen part 1. Do check out part 1, which I did recently. But these are another 5 amazing digital products that you need to designs that you need to be looking at right now because they are trending. The wave is going like this. You don't want it to go like this. Get ready. But as usual, if you love digital products, you have creating, searching, listing, and all of that crazy stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell to get more of these videos in your feed, in your feeds. Guys, my name's AJ and I do all things digital products on Etsy. I look at trends, I look at designs, I show you how to create them, I show you SEO, everything is ready, man. Ready. Let's go. So this is a bestseller. Check this out, man. I'm looking at this one. This one is interesting, man. Right, this is trending really hard right now. People are making good money on it. It's a bestseller, bomb. It's got 20 plus in a basket, boom. 12 plus views, boom. Now, what it is it's a mum's hand with the kids holding the fingers. That's the design element, right? And what's happening in this one, you can see clearly you got mum and you got the kids, Kathy, John, Emma, Jenny, and so on, right? So this is the design style. And I'm going to show you something, the fifth one, the design, how interesting this is, but because there's another style to it. But this is a really cool one, man. This is a really cool style. I mean, it did fantastically well in Mother's Day, but I think this is going to be big, right? It's got a 15.72 conversion. It's got 1,612, made $1,612 in the last month, man. I think this is going to be a grower. It's one of them ones where it's going to kind of expand into other design elements. And I've seen it on mug wraps, tumbler wraps, not only as a kind of clip art. This is just a clip art in a certain style, man. But you will see this one. You will see this. And it's custom as well. So the beautiful thing about custom, you can, add your own name in the space where you got the hands. And as you know, personalization, custom is the one, is the way forward, man. Anyway, number 2, man. Number 2 is this kind of, I don't know what to call it, but it's a lot of it is sort of these kind of jokey, funny quotations or sayings combined with a funny and an animal in a funny setting. That's how to describe it. I don't know how else to describe it, right? But you got a raccoon with a space helmet in space and it says, Houston, I have so many problems, man. And you see a lot of these. Now, this is a dish. Now, what you'll see is you see this style on many t-shirts. Go check it out. This kind of funny animal on a kind of weird setting. You'll see this with this kind of quotation. And they are very popular and they are growing, man. It's a bestseller bomb. It's got 20 plus in a basket. It's a digital download. You'll see this on sweatshirts, mugs, all sorts of things. It's a grower and it's going to be big. This is one to watch out for sure. For sure. Check it out, man. Analyze the listing. Let's go. So what it is it's making approximately $1,517. It's a 1-month-old listing, man. This is what you got to remember. It's a 1-month-old listing. It's got 217 sales. It's a digital download. It's got a 10.81 conversion rate. Guys, go check out EVERBEE. The link is in my description so you can actually find these trends, right? EVERBEE is a fantastic research SEO tool. You will love it. Free access right there. Now, check this out, man. I want to give you some more information because this is what we need. We need information. This is what we're doing here. Anyways, come on. Now, sometimes you got to remember there's certain animals that it works best for. Raccoon seems to be something that people are loving in weird situations, okay? So even when I say, like, let me just type in animal quote just to give you an idea. Animal quote, maybe it will give me something that along the lines of what I'm talking about, right? So you got this now. You got these. Look, raccoon seems to be something that is working well. The Houston thing, it seems to be okay. Okay, number 3 on my list is, but this has become massively popular. You don't understand how big this is, guys. And people are doing it for their pets, for the animals, for various things. But the style is like this, and this is a Canva editable file, guys, right? And many of these are recent listings making a lot of money. And guys, so many listings I've seen are recent listings of 1 month, 2 month, 3-month-old listing making around $1,000, $2,000 per month, and they are and it's so easy to do. It's a drag and drop Canva. Now you've even got the pet ones that are in on the act. I'll show you the pet ones very quickly as well. It's a similar style. What it is, you put the name maybe of the dog and you put various images of the dog in different like formats in this kind of lightning background. In this case, it's got that blue flavor. You got pink flavors. You got various colors where you can even choose as your custom color, So this style is extremely in right now. It's trending. It's massive. You need to get on this, guys. This is huge. And sometimes, like I said, some of these things, I mean, people buy the digital download. It's just a PNG, but you know, people use it for various things, for mugs, for their sweatshirts, t-shirts. It's hugely popular now. It's in, go check it out, go type in custom t-shirt design, and you can see that's exactly what happens. You drag and drop it. You have a drag and drop, Canva drag and drop. So it's such an easy thing, but they're making cash, guys. This is a big trend. Anyway, next one on my list, and you know, it's got that kind of custom flavor, by the way. It's a mix of that kind of custom style, as I showed you the t-shirt, but with graduation. Graduation for the summer's coming up, guys. People are looking to do designs for graduation, whether it be mugs or whether it be digital downloads. But the graduation niche, right, is growing right now. Now, granted, it's not a pure 2024 one. This is literally for when graduation comes up. And these are kind of these mementos, these kind of memories, if you like, that the graduates want to have using these digital download designs, which they like to create. You can actually think about this for next, year. Look, 1,873 is almost $2,000. It's a 2-month-old listing. It's got a fantastic amount of sales, guys. And this is what I'm talking about. This is why I love EVERBEE, because it gives you some clues. Now look at this, class of 2024. Good, not too bad. A bit lowish, but not the best. Look, 2024 personalization, 50. Grad template, grad design, grad sublimation, right? So all of these keywords, if you add them up, bring them together, this is a really good, healthy amount of search on Etsy, which you can create this design for. And like I said, with this kind of, with this PNG that someone's designed is really cool, because what they've done is they've kind of got this mixed flavor of this kind of custom-esque style, where you got the black t-shirt background and you can actually upload the images of the graduate, in three different formats. You can see it there. You got the congratulations, and you got the 2020 FAO, you got the school, high school, and so forth. So look, think about graduation as something really to work on. I mean, it's a really another fantastic thing that people do search for, but it's something really like that is connected also to the custom style, which is interesting. Okay, number 4 on my list. Look at this. Again, it's the graduation templates, right? Look, these are a similar style where you're just adding the image. Again, look, I'm not going to dwell on this too long because I've already spoken about it, but there are many different styles that you could do. My idea is that you actually, try to make it a little bit different from everybody else, but having that graduation idea, having a template, having a bundle where people can change the color, font style, and again, use for the t-shirt, because I guess when they actually create it, make it, have it on a t-shirt, they will print it out and they'll use it for their graduation time, But what I like about this is they've thought about how to sell it to the customer by having these designs on a tumbler, t-shirt, mug, whatever it is, on a badge, and that's what people may be using it for various things. So, I think it's definitely a good idea. Again, it's another bestseller, 20 plus in a basket, boom. It's a different design, different idea. But again, it's making 2,282. It's only a 2-month-old listing. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. These things are cool, man. But you got to get onto that trend early enough. Now, this one is what we spoke about. This was the first design I spoke about. This kind of idea of this mum with the kids holding the fingers, guys. This is so cool, man. This is so cool. This is a mug wrap, right? But what I like about this is it has 3 elements to it, right? The other one had just the one design, and I would say 4 elements to it. Let's say 4. It's got the hand design holding the fingers. That's 1. You got the custom idea where you can put their names on it. I'll call that 2, right? You got the floral idea design that is with it. You got that 3. And on top of that, you got that bubble style, right? That bubble wrap style of that design where you can see that's actually a really big trending one on mugs. So I really love the way this seller's combined it. Now you're going to see this design. Go search for it. You're going to see on tumblers as well. And it's going to be big. On mugs, it's going to be big. Look, these are massive. They are making a hell of a lot of money. This is only a 1-month-old listing making 3,309. You cannot pass this up. It's got a 7.15 conversion rate. This is in. This is big. This is going to make you cash. I'm telling you now, right? Guys, you will make some serious cash on this. But guys, listen, do check out Creative Fabrica. The link is in my description below, where you can actually get access to fantastic designs with copyright, so you can actually use them, and you'll have the rights to use them yourself on Etsy, I do suggest that, and you can find stuff that, you know, even stuff that I showed you previously about trending ones. But what I do suggest is always try to customize it yourself, because don't forget, people are looking through this all the time. People are buying them, people are using them as is. But my suggestion is always, if you're going to buy from Creative Fabrica, do change up the design slightly, do customize it in your own way, in your own original style, because that way you will stand out from the crowd. But yeah, check out Creative Fabrica. It's got some amazing designs. The link is below as well. But guys, if you love that video on trends and you want to know more about some videos, then hit the like, then tell me, put in a comment below what you want to see next. And also please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell and get more of these kind of videos in your feed, mate, in your feed.